Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. You asked me for a hijab and a niqab tutorial, so that's what I'm giving you today. So what I'm wearing right now is actually just two caps. So I have a lace cap on my head and I have a black basic cotton stretch cap around my face as a niqab, and it works really well as a niqab. It's only about $1.99 and you can buy it online pretty easily, and they come in all different colors. So I'm wearing gloves. These gloves also come in many different colors and you can get them online. I'm wearing this hijab, which actually goes with this abaya that I have on right here. So you can see the accent right here. So you take the piece with the accent and you leave that piece on the end. Take the piece with no accent and place it like this. So you have a short end and a long end, okay? And you're just going to kind of wrap it like this. All right. So just take the long piece and wrap it around your head like this. For this type of hijab, it is actually a bit short, so you're not going to be able to just tuck it in. So take a piece, you can wrap it in like this, and then you can just go ahead and pin it with whatever kind of pin you want. If your scarf is a little bit short, it won't go all the way around and you'll have to have a pin, but you can use a longer scarf if you want to go pinless. See? So this is what it looks like. See how easy that was to do? And I'll just like turn around so you can kind of see how it looks all the way around. And I have quite long hair, so I have a bit of a bump right here, and I have two clips in it. So if you wanted it smoother, you wouldn't wear clips. You could just put your hair in a ponytail and then kind of make it lower so it hangs down the back. But this is, I think, the simplest way to do hijab. These are the pins that you use for hijab and niqab. If you use other types or regular safety pins, then you just kind of run the risk of ripping up your hijabs, your headscarves, because they catch. So this is just a long hijab. This is a black cotton head cap that I'm using for niqab. Works great. Very inexpensive, comes in many colors. All right. So this is just the tucked in version, pinless version of hijab. This is pinless. No pins required. I cut the finger out of my glove because you can't use the phone if you have full gloves on. So if I'm going to use my phone, I had to cut the finger out. So many of my gloves are missing their fingers. So I'm going to show you how you can put this on, how you can do the pinless niqab and hijab, okay? Cotton head cap in black. see what it looks like from the back. And this is your hijab, right? Your scarf. And you take the end with the design on it and you keep it on the long side. So then you just take the shorter end like this and just drape it over. Tuck it underneath. Really simple. Make sure it catches right here. Okay. Wrap it over, kind of pull a little bit so that it makes it a little bit more flat. And then you just kind of adjust it a little bit to your taste, right? So just kind of pull this around on the bottom so that it has more even coverage. Just kind of pull it underneath at the back like this, right? So you've got very easy pinless hijab and niqab. You see how easy that was? It was very quick. You could leave this by your front door and just throw it on easily. This, you can just pull down and have it hanging over your neck. But this is the easy pinless style. It stays really well. You might have to retuck it a couple of times if you wear it for a long time. But it's no big deal. It stays really well right here without a pin. So that's how you do this. Okay. If you want to do another niqab, like double layer, you can take a single layer, right? Put it over your eyebrows and then just tie it in the back. And so you would tie it in a knot. For this, I just tied it once because I'm going to take it off in a minute, but do you see how easy that is? Okay. And this is just the one layer niqab. Tied in the back. So I'm going to take this one off. So now this is the full veil. This is the full veil niqab. And I can see you through it. I've tied it in a knot at the back. Okay. And now I'm just going to take one veil off and move it over. So you can see my eyes right here. If I'm farther away, you can't see. Okay. If I move this up again, you can see my eyes. Okay, there we go. So this is the full veil. All right. Once again, this is full coverage, but I can still see. And this is just the one veil on top of my eyes. I can see you. Okay. All right. So I'm going to take this off. Where's she? Put his